Model, 67-plate Mercedes Sprinter 314 CDI long wheelbase, genuine low mileage. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 109,027. Engine, 2143 CCOM 651,140 HP Mi2B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £9,475 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.